Today I'm going to show you how to make this pork and sweet potato meal prep. It's super healthy, super easy, and so delicious. Over here I've got all my vegetables and my instant pot. You can use any pressure cooker or instant pot that you have. First thing we're going to do, we're going to chop the cabbage into nice pieces just like so. So you don't need to chop it up any smaller than that, just into these pieces. Cabbage is very rich in a lot of vitamins and nutrients, and it will make it nice and filling. First, you're going to add your cabbage at the bottom and fill up your instant pot. Then you're going to take your piece of pork loin. I'm using a huge piece just like that. You can also have it chopped or on a bone. It's really up to you. In fact, you can use any other meat that you want. Over here, I've got my red onion, carrots, red peppers, and garlic. I'm going to add it all around my pot. You can use it anywhere. And then I'm adding my vegetable stock inside. I add it in cubes just like that, but you can also dissolve it in water and then add it in water. Next, I'm going to take my sweet potato and chop it into nice pieces, cubes just like so. And you want to keep them bigger rather than smaller because they will become softened, and if they're too small they will basically become very, very thin and turn into the soup, and we want to have the texture of the potato. Then add your potatoes all around. Then add your tomato sauce. You can use any tomato sauce that you like, or you can also use chopped tomatoes. And then I've added some hot water into my jar and just rinsed it and added more water inside. You're then going to pressure cook this for 30 minutes. And once it's done, it will look just like this. The meat is so tender and separated. It smells absolutely amazing. What I usually do, I take my meat out, I cut it into smaller pieces, then divide your vegetable mixture between your pots just like that, nice and even. So this gives you a lot of delicious vegetables inside. Then take your meat, place it onto the board and slice into nice pieces just like so, and then add it into your meal prep boxes. Divide it evenly so there's enough for you every single day. Bear in mind, when you use a pork loin, they're usually very salty, so make sure you don't add any extra salt into your mixture while cooking. And also, as the mixture reduces in size, it also becomes salty. So hope you enjoy this. You can make this ahead of time. It will keep well in the fridge up to 4 days, or you can freeze this up to a few months. Enjoy!